For the headbutt, low blow, back of the head and spine. You both know the rules. Fight fair, fight clean. Touch grab if you want and back your corner.
The outside here. Can he work the striking?
Lean on his wrestling, and I think he's probably going to do that here. Nice little catch there.
In the direction of...
As far as the takedown is concerned.
Wushu realm and work his magic. Ooh. Uppercut, bolo punch, another one. And the Greco-Roman wrestling of Akhmetov. It wasn't me that said that, right? That was Qairat.
Kickboxing team, so his striking is real sharp. Nice little elevation here from Kinghad, and that's why Kinghad's not really able to do much. He created a little bit of space there by kicking off, but then he popped back up.
Feet on hips here from Dэнni.
Qairat's got great guard passing, and there is a little bit of space. He's trying to get his back on the wall so he can get back up, but still Qairat with that pressure.
Dэнni needs to get back into his...
And I think that's what he's trying to initiate here, because now Kinghad
should be fine to...
Well, if he's following there and Strub, he try to get back in. But Kinghad's good scrambler. We've seen that time and time again from Kinghad. He's got great movement. Kinghad was still able to keep that butterfly.
It was like you said earlier on when we saw Murad Ramazanov against Ryan. He does not want this to go to the judges. He believes the judges always favor Dэнni Kinghad. He wants to finish the Filipino.
Well, if he continues with a performance like this, like in the next seconds, it's when you've got, so many.
Watch out back of the head.
Another one there from Qairat. Final seconds of this second round. We're going to move into the third. And once again,
nothing he can do, right? If you're getting coached by, from your coach, from your corner, they're telling you to do this.
A little bit of the tape coming loose on the left glove of the former world champion. They tango on the feet. Good knee landed there by Dэнni Kinghad. Beyond
the uppercut. Look at him.
Go guys, what?
Oh, that was beautiful timing from Қайрат Ахметов to catch the knee like that.
Opportunity on the feet to not have broken off and worked.
And really putting together a good display here, trying to work that ground and pound from the top position.
10 seconds.
Wow, how about the grunting of Qairat Ahmetov? From the former flyweight world champion, Qairat Ahmetov, as he postured up and worked the ground and pound, looping the punches to a hapless Dэнni Kinghad.
Your winner by unanimous decision from the